see a big cow. Don't go near her.
And she is 12 years old. Oh, next to Jen, Daryl.
Next to Jen is my little pony Mac. She's about 12 years old. And you can go over by the bushes. It's not easy to grab.
Next to Max, you got it. Next to Max, we have Big Mac. Okay? Big Mac is what we call a cat.
Are you for that cat?
Awesome. Big Mac is a fox, so he's a cat. Okay? But we bought him when she was 2 years old, and him and my She likes green grass.
Go get your ball! Look like that. I don't want to be my ass.
Now, Nick, give some to the Cuban cow. Here, we'll give some, nobody's giving none to that cow.
What's that?
Yeah, this one.
Get coffee. I want to sit He's big. Let's go get some more grass. All right. I don't think they want anything.
Then are you going to come over and have a turn here?
I think Big Mac's sleeping. Whoa.
That's the biggest
Big
cow.
Mac.
Can you give him a try?
Big Mac.
You want to bite?
What will Big Mac eat?
No? Not today?
Hey, how about that? Dad's getting too old.
That is one humongous animal.
Oh,
Holy cow.
oh, he took the whole thing.
Yeah, she does. She has no problem with green grass.
That's my cow family.
What do you need to do with it?
Yeah.
Hey, Beth, kneel down and here. Not kneel down here. Do this here, Beth. Like this here. Right where you are. Right, no, right where you are. No, just turn to the side.
Sometimes it's easy. Get ready to go now. Daniel, did you want to see him?
I fed him all mine. Big Mac. I fed him all mine. Hold on.
Okay.
He'll never get There's lots and lots of grass spiders.
You're looking grass. Jacob, you're looking grass. All this time you had to have grass, and now you tell me? Cool. Hey guys, we're going to take it over. All right, Avery, you want to come back?
Big Mac.